Oh, hey, I thought I'd find you here. You're looking for more cool stuff from CES 2025? Well, you found it. We're here at Pepcom checking out some new products from Soundcore. They've got a new pair of open earbuds and a new party speaker with a unique feature up its sleeve. If speakers had sleeves, this is where it would hide its unique feature. But let's get into it and see what Soundcore has to offer here at CES 2025. First up, new product from Soundcore for 2025, a new open earbud, the Soundcore AeroClip. Previous Soundcore open earbuds like the AeroFit and the AeroFit 2 use the hook-shaped design which goes over top of your ear, but the AeroClip will clip onto your ear with a cuff-like design, IPX4 water resistance against splashes of water, and just a more flexible approach to fit. So if you do wear glasses but want to get into the open ear design, the clip style may be a better solution for you compared to the over-the-ear hook-shaped design. Now, I did get a chance to listen to the new AeroClip open earbuds on the showroom floor there, and you bet, yes, I absolutely heard all the noise from everybody else there in the convention center along with my music. But they're popular with joggers, people who need to stay aware of their surroundings while they want to listen to their music. Okay. Honestly, not bad bass response right off the bat, which is usually the first issue with open earbuds without having a seal. But I can hear the bass guitar of this Danzig track pretty well. Snares cutting through. Could use maybe a bit more detail on the high end for the guitars, but not bad. First impression of the Soundcore AeroClip, but I was honestly impressed with the amount of bass right off the bat. Could have used a bit more treble, but that's something we can, again, adjust in the EQ. You definitely notice the cuff-like feel as you're wearing them, almost as if you're wearing clip-on earrings. But again, if you're wearing glasses and you want the open-ear design, it's a good alternative to the over-the-ear hook shape. It'll probably be more comfortable. In my personal experience, you don't get a whole lot of low end with open earbuds, but that is the trade-off of the design. There's no seal over your ear canal, so outside noises can enter your eardrums uninterrupted. But again, we'll get them in the lab, see how they sound, and we'll let you know as always. Another offering for Soundcore 2025 is a new party speaker, the Rave 3S. Now, this is a party speaker with a built-in light show. You've got to have the lights. Beat sync with your music, of course. They'll pulse in time. But the unique feature that I mentioned earlier, it has AI vocal removal capability. And yes, AI this and AI that. But it also comes with two mics. So if you like to party and you like to have your friends over, you guys get a little rowdy and you want to start singing some karaoke tunes, Journey's Don't Stop Believing, of course. Queen's Don't Stop Me Now, classic hits, thank me later. But you can use the vocal AI button, tap that button, and it will remove the vocals from the song and allow you to sing along. I believe you can also adjust the volume of the vocals via the app. So unfortunately, we're in a convention center here. I didn't get a chance to test out that button just yet, but I'm sure we will have the Rave 3S speaker in the SoundGuys lab as soon as it's available, and we'll run some tests on it, see how it sounds, crank it up, see how the bass is, see how the treble, see if we like the light show, and see how those mics perform. But otherwise, brand new from Soundcore for 2025 at CES. We have the AeroClip open earbuds and the new Rave 3S party speaker. They're also upgrading the Boom 2 Plus to the Boom 2 Pro. You still get the same built-in light show on the passive radiators. You get the carrying handle and the shoulder strap, but they have upped the water resistance to IP68 over the outgoing model, IP67. So nothing too exciting, and a bit of a design change, but I do really like the Boom 2 series. I think they're great bang for your buck party speakers without going overboard to the bigger ones. So I look forward to cranking that one up as well. Summer's coming, it's not too far away. You know, we got to hit the water and we got to have our party speakers to have a good time. Having a good time, having a good time. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Of course, we're here all week at CES 2025, so if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest audio offerings from these new companies, be sure to subscribe. We got lots of content coming your way here in Las Vegas. Until next time, happy listening. I said happy listening.